say that there is one way to describe the impact of population, which is this idea of impact equation. Okay, where basically the total impact of humanity is a question of population times affluence, which is consumption, average consumption, times technology, it's like the technological level, the efficiency of resource extraction, for example. So we use the footprint to provide a measure, quantitative measure of this formula, and we assume that the total ecological footprint can be humanity or can be like a national footprint. The total footprint, demand of resources of, let's say, humanity is equal to population times the per capita consumption, okay, average per capita consumption of a person living on the planet. So what happened from 1961 to 2006, and this is what this graph is showing, basically the average ecological footprint consumption grow like a 20% from 1961 to 1975, and then has almost remained stable from the stabilization after the Second World War, and remain constant. But what you get is a population that has passed from 3 billion people to 6.5 billion people. So the total demand of humanity on natural resources is double. Even if on a per capita term the consumption has remained almost stable, the fact that we have more people now demanding the same amount of resources is what is contributing to this doubling of the overall demand. So the difference, for example, between high-income countries and low-income countries is, so low-income countries, what they have experienced is like a constant per capita footprint, or we can see also a small decline of the per capita footprint, but the population has quite tripled in the last 45 years. So this means, going back to this equation, that with this constant, this has increased a lot, causing an increase in the total footprint, that's in the total demand for resources of this sector of the world population. It makes sense?
Makes absolute sense. Thank you very much.